Okay, we're on our way to Death Valley now. We left the Grand Canyon earlier today. We're gonna do a couple short videos. We're out near the Hoover Dam area. This is one of the scenic roads up to one of the scenic views. Later, if we get a cutoff, then I'm gonna do a video going across the dam. All right, we're now, Darlos and I are 10 miles out from the Hoover Dam. Not really one of our vacation spots. It just so happens we going this way, going to Death Valley. Since the last time I was here, back in 1999, they built a new bridge across 93. Whereas you used to have to wind down both sides, one side of the mountain, then you would actually drive across the top of the dam into Nevada from Arizona and up the other side into Las Vegas. Although I'm interested in seeing the new bridge that they built, if I can find an exit which will enable me to take the old route across, actually drive it across the dam, and I'm going to do that. It can be much more interesting doing it that way. We can always get some pictures of the new bridge as we cross the dam.
Still running?
Yes, it's working fine.
Video's on?
Yes. Later today here. Sun's bright up. We just got to stop briefly for a vehicle inspection. First time that's ever happened. It's like the third or fourth time I've been out here across the dam. I guess going back to the 9/11 thing, they're more cautious about who crosses the dam. They had me open my tailgate and he looked briefly and said, "You just got camping stuff back there?" And I said, "Yep." He said, "Go on." So we did. We're gonna drive down here and up the other side, get back on 93, go north. Hopefully find a camping spot somewhere close by.
He said like me.
Get the camera ready again, Darlos, when we go across the dam. Hoover Dam. There's the new bridge right there. I guess we did come across it. Wasn't here back in 1999. Not sure what year they completed it, but you have to wind your way down through here and all your big heavy semi trucks come up and down through here, and it was an experience. At least now you don't have as much traffic. You don't have the semis.